This is Signal Brief for Thursday, August 13th, 2026. 6 stories reshaping artificial intelligence and technology, from a billion-user milestone to India's largest AI factory. Here's what matters today. Google's Gemini app has crossed 1 billion monthly active users. It is the fastest product in the company's history to hit that mark, and the 14th Google service to join the club. 63% of those users talk to Gemini by voice. The system now generates more than 150 million images every single day. Anthropic is in talks to buy Israeli startup Decart AI for about $6 billion. Decart specializes in real-time generative video, world models, and GPU optimization. If the deal closes, it would be Anthropic's largest known acquisition, a bet that cheaper inference is now as valuable as bigger models. SpaceXAI, formerly xAI, has launched Grok 4.6. The model matches OpenAI's GPT-5.6 Sol on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, with stronger coding and long-running agent performance. Pricing: $2 per million input tokens and $6 per million output. Google unveiled the Pixel 11 family, powered by the new Tensor G6 chip. Gemini is now the phone's operating system, not just an app. Magic capture, sign language translation, and 7 years of software support. The base model starts at $899. And a major story from India. Larsen & Toubro has won an order worth up to $1.57 billion to build an AI factory in Chennai for U.S. cloud platform Together AI. 10,000 NVIDIA B300 chips, the largest such deployment in the country. Capital is still flooding in. Cognition, the company behind the Devon coding agent, is discussing a funding round at $40 billion or more. OpenAI-backed Thrive Holdings raised $2 billion at a $12 billion valuation, and Vantage Data Centers is weighing a $100 billion IPO. The risks are scaling with the money. DeepMind's Demis Hassabis is pushing an independent industry body for AGI safety. Taiwan says its nuclear regulator was hit by an autonomous AI-assisted cyber attack. And India's Supreme Court asked the government to consider rules on high-risk AI in public welfare. That's the brief for August 13th. AI is no longer just software. It is capital, hardware, geopolitics, and infrastructure. We'll be back when the next signal breaks.